Hi, today we're going to cook one of the favorite Filipino dish called Sinigang. And this time we're going to make a twist. Have you ever thought to use kimchi in your dish? Well, let's find out and join me in my cooking. And take a look at our ingredients. We have onion, tomato, taro, eggplant, string bean, green chili, water spinach, pork, tamarind flavor mix. Then, kimchi. After the preparations of the ingredients that we needed, now let's start to cook. Boil the pork first until tender. Add salt. Bring to a boil. Add onion. Add tomato. Add taro. Let it boil for 3 to 5 minutes. Then add eggplant, string beans, boil for another minute. Once boiled, add tamarind flavor mix. Add green chili. Add water spinach. Lastly, add kimchi. Mix gentle. Finally, it's done. This is so great. So the taste is so great and become more flavorful. The combination between the sinigang and the kimchi is so perfect at all. It gives our sinigang more flavorful because of the kimchi, because of its spiciness and also the sour taste. I highly recommend this dish to all Koreans and Filipinos out there who like to eat kimchi and sinigang. You can also try to cook sinigang with some kimchi on it. And that's it for today, and I will going to finish to eat this sinigang with kimchi. While finishing this, don't forget to like this video, share to everyone, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Enjoy your watching, and I'm going to enjoy finishing this. See you.